is like a-hole. What the fuck? Yeah, man, anybody wanna know? Look, man, you know, you gotta go about the right way of doing things. If you wanna go on live with somebody, you know, you approach them in the right way. And then there's people, oh man, in my other video, the guy commented, the guy was a fan, and because I didn't want to get on live with somebody else, the guy found a problem, and I didn't want to go on live. This isn't at first. I didn't make this channel to go on live with people, first of all. Chill out. You done? You done? You just won.
One. Yeah, she, get change. If she got change, well, I'm doing it first. She gave me 4. I got change for you. Come on.
Biting out here.
Like that, cool.
Yeah, good look, bro. My mom got me this joint too. This is Christmas. There you go. Oh, go ahead.
My fault.
Safe fire, man. Yeah, man, you know. So, yeah, man, I just want people to keep an open mind. I want people to start to open up their mind, you know. Change your diet up a little bit, you know. Look up sea malls. seaofmalls.com. Got some cheap sea malls. Sea mall supposedly has 92 out of 102 minerals that the body needs. From a trip on a gene. Oh man, that thing. Yeah, man, you know, eat some sea malls and work out, my people. I want y'all to work out, you know. There's nothing like a healthy mind and a healthy body. Healthy body leads to a healthy mind, and a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. And you know, believe in yourself, and work hard at whatever it is that you do. Dedicate yourself, and you know, don't believe in the naysayers. People are gonna tell you things. People are gonna tell you that you can't do things that they couldn't have done. You know, a lot of people don't want to see you. They don't want to see you in a place that they could have been, because then it questions their intelligence and it questions their abilities and their efforts. But don't let none of that affect you and your journey and whatever it is that you want to do. It doesn't matter if you wanna sell drugs on the street. Do it the most humble way and do it in the most positive way. Just people.
Why are they doing it with the wise?
People that sell drugs in the street aren't bad people. They're just out there making money. There's plenty of ways on how to make money. And whenever you don't have a choice, look at the environment people grew up in. Some people grew up in this environment, they don't have no other choice. They probably went to a school where they got bullied at. And so they stopped going to school because they didn't want to keep, they didn't want to keep getting harassed or bullied. And so they went into the streets and did the only thing that they knew how to do. They went into the streets to do, the only thing they seen people succeed and do is sell drugs. And people will say, "Oh, look what you're doing. Look what you're doing." First of all, everyone knows that no one in these videos out here that I'm recording is gonna do any time for this. First of all, because to do an investigation on somebody in one of these videos is gonna cost the city or the state or the Fed too much motherfucking money for them to come after somebody who's selling $5 worth of drugs. The people that are on these videos, the cops drive by them all the time, so they know who they are. So, and then, somebody will say, "Oh, do something about it." Oh, this is my way of doing something about it. This is the only way. I'm not a government official. I'm not a politician. I'm not famous. And I'm not rich. A cell phone is a tool. Camera is a tool. And if you don't use it the right way, then you're just gonna be stuck. You're gonna be right where everyone else is at. You have to, think of different ways. Think of different escapes. Think of different ways on how to create an income for yourself. You'd be surprised if I told everyone they're gonna be on camera before they're on camera. You got loud. We're done. Safe right now.